Hi everyone. In today's video, I am going to share with you an unboxing of the items that I purchased from Doodlebug Designs new Night Before Christmas release. So I picked up a variety of products from the new release, including the 6x6 paper pad, some stickers, some washi tape. I'll show you the little Chit Chat cardboard cutouts, as well as little odd and ends cardboard cutouts, and I'll explain how you can use them with your cards. There's also some 12 by 12 pattern paper that I got here. I picked up an essentials kit and then also a value pack that I'll show you at the end. So let's go ahead and get started by looking at this 6x6 paper pack. This is the Night Before Christmas paper pack. It has 24 sheets of double-sided cardstock, and there are two copies for each design that you see. So to start, we have that little Christmas neighborhood. We have some snowflakes, a little Santa and reindeer, some plaid, some little gingerbread men with sugar plums. We have Christmas tags, and I'll show you the back in a second so you can see what the backs of those tags look like. Some Santa faces in that 6x6 paper pack, and then some Christmas trees. We also have that plaid pattern. We have some more gingerbread men. We have some fun little polka dot paper. I love those colors for Christmas. And then some reindeer. And now I just flipped the paper over and I'll show you the back side of all those cards. So I love this sheet. You can cut apart the different strips and just use them as embellishments on your card. It's just a great way to add interest to a card design. We have this kind of neon green paper, the Merry Christmas paper as well, an advent calendar. You can use this to make a great advent calendar. You can, if you have little boxes, you can make each little box a different number in the advent calendar and then put them together, maybe shape it like a Christmas tree. And then these are the backs of those tags we saw earlier. So I'm going to just flip it around so you can see what it looks like. So it's the front of the tag and the back. So no need to buy Christmas tags, just cut out these little 18 tags and you just write in the name on the back, and then you have a ready-made Christmas tag. We also have these little shopping lists and wish lists and memory lists. You could add that to a scrapbook page maybe. I love that candy cane stripe paper, some snowflakes, some Christmas trees. And now let's look at the different puffy stickers. So these are called shape sprinkles. And I got these little Santa faces and the little hearts next to the Santa faces. I love those. They're also little puffy stickers. We also have our little gingerbread men and our candies and our candy canes. And then we have our Christmas lights. So just really, really great puffy stickers this season. Now, these are the Doodle Pops. So these are a combination of cardboard dimensional stickers and puffy stickers. So we have our little Santa mug with the marshmallows, some cookies. We have our little Christmas stocking with our gingerbread man and candies inside. We have a Christmas tree with some little stars. You could put the little star on top of the Christmas tree. So these stickers are great gifts for little children, or it's also a great way to add some dimension and interest to your cards. You could use them as focal images, which is a cool idea. And then we have a little Santa face. You could also put these on gift tags if you want to have a real special gift tag. Just lots of great ways to use these adorable little Doodle Pops. All right, so let's move on. And now I'm going to show you the washi tape that I picked up. So I picked up this Merry Christmas washi tape. And I just love the green print, and I love the little red hearts. This is a great way to seal your envelopes. If you're sending Christmas cards, you can just add a strip to this to the back of the envelope and maybe put a little sticker along with it as well to decorate your envelopes. I use washi tape a lot when I'm watercoloring to hold the paper down. Just lots of fun things you can do with that. And then here is the little gingerbread man and candies washi tape. I think that this is actually, it's been around for a little bit. It might have been from last year's collection as well, but it's also being sold this year as well. So now let's take a look at these little Chit Chat pieces. So these are little cardboard sentiments, and you get 94 of them in this pack. And this is a real easy way to just make some quick Christmas cards that are really, really pretty and that have elements that work really well together. So we have all different sentiments like love this tree. There's some Merry Christmas. We have some speech bubbles. We have some just little Christmas words like Santa and Christmas. 'Tis the season. We have some little postage stamps. We have a little banner of stars, a banner of hearts. I love that little Christmas light string of lights at the bottom there. And just lots of great ways that you can use these different sentiments to make quick and easy Christmas cards. I love these little ho ho hos. I think we have them in all of the color palettes. So we have it in pink, in red, and green. There'll be some teal I'll pull out at some point. And what I like to do with these pieces is I like to get the Chit Chat cardboard pieces that you see here, and then I like to combine them with the odds and ends cardboard images that I'm going to show you in a second, and they kind of go hand in hand. So this package, the Chit Chat package, will have all the different sentiments and words that you need for the card, and then the odds and ends pack will have all of the different little focal images that you can use to decorate your card. So if you take this pack, the odds and ends I'll show you in a second, and then maybe use it with some of that 6x6 pattern paper, you can get some really, really cool Christmas cards together without a lot of effort, or you just may need to mass produce cards, and these are great products to use to do that. I just adore those little speech bubbles there. All right, so let's set all of these aside, and now we'll take a look at the odds and ends. So in this pack here, we have our odds and ends, and here we get 164 little focal images. So it's on like a real thin cardstock paper. It's not exactly chipboard. It's probably like 80-pound weight paper, I would say. And we get lots of little focal images that you can use to decorate your cards and to build scenes. So we have this little Christmas tree. There's a fireplace. We have different variations of Santa, that little boy peeking out from the window, a little girl and a boy in their pajamas, a little hot cocoa mug with Santa on there, a little boy with his teddy bear. And then we'll have lots of little candies and gingerbread men, and there's a wreath somewhere, some little gift packages. There's a little car, and then we have different tiny little hearts and stars that you can use to decorate, some reindeer, Christmas stocking, a bag of toys, chocolate chip cookies, just lots and lots of great elements. And all these elements mix and match really, really well with the other Doodlebug Night Before Christmas products. So if you get a pack of these and a pack of the Chit Chats, you are ready to make some really, really cool Christmas cards. Oh, I adore that little Santa Claus coming out of the chimney. That is so sweet as well. The little cookies for Santa, Santa reading his nice list, some Christmas bulbs. Here are those cookies I mentioned. There are some little candies in the right-hand corner there. And I'm just gonna put these back, and oh look, there are still even more little images in the pack that I haven't taken out. So I think we only looked at about half of what was in there. So lots and lots of fun images to just work with and play with. So next we are going to take a look at the Night Before Christmas Essentials pack. So this pack, it's kind of like an easy way to get started. It'll have a whole bunch of items that you need to get started making your cards or doing your scrapbooking. So it has some stickers, some 12 by 12 pattern paper. There are some braddies in there, a little doodle pop, and then some shape sprinkles. So let's take a look at each of these items. So I'm just going to peel them away from the packaging. So to start, we have these shape sprinkles that are in the color palette that the rest of the collection uses. We have this little Mrs. Claus doodle pop that I love with a little cupcake, some mistletoe. We have our little gift package braddies, and then we have some stickers here. So this is like a maybe 6 by 12 inches of stickers. So we have some letters in that pretty red sparkly print, and then we have the other stickers in front of it. We also get a bunch of 12 by 12 pattern paper using those same patterns that we saw for the 6 by 6 paper pack. It's just these are a larger reproduction of it. And these 12 by 12 sheets are great for scrapbooking. It's great. You could even use this as gift wrap if you like. You could use it to make a little gift box as well. If you have a gift box die, you could use them to make gift tags. So just lots of different ways to use the pattern paper that comes in this essentials pack. I just love that candy cane paper. I just think it's adorable. Okay, so next let us take a look at, this is another sheet of the 12 by 12 paper. So this is a larger version of the advent calendar. So again, this would be a really fun project just to make a bunch of little boxes and use the advent calendar for each of them. You can make your own advent calendar kit at home. And then we have these stickers as well that is included in that essentials pack. So it's a 12 by 12 sheet of different stickers. And now let's take a look at something different. So this is the $65 value bundle of This Is Christmas Miracle. And in this pack, we get lots of different stuff. So we get another Mrs. Claus. We also get some little elves doodle pop, which is a little not puffy sticker, but dimensional cardboard chipboard stickers. So really, really cute. You can make some fun scenes with that. We also get some different trims. So this is great for gift wrapping. It's also a cool element to add to a card as well. We get a tiny, tiny little bit of the washi tape in both Merry Christmas and the little gingerbread and candies washi tape we saw earlier. We get these chunky brads that are in all of the colors of the collections palette. We get those little snowflake braddies, some gingham ribbon. I just love that red and gold. It's so pretty. We also get some sequins, a mix of different sizes in red, green, and white, perfect Christmas colors. Some organdy ribbon as well with red and green polka dots. Our little gingerbread men, puffy stickers, a love sticker. Love that. Some more like 6 by 12 sheet of stickers here. And these are different stickers than we saw in the Night Before Christmas essentials kit. Just so great to decorate cards or the outside of envelopes. And then I love this sheet of trim. So you can peel off these different trims and add them as an accent to your cards or to your gift tags or even scrapbook pages. We also get these paper frills. So you can make bows out of these, or you can just use it as trim on your cards and on your gift cards or gift tags. And then we also get some 12 by 12 pattern paper. And we also get this beautiful sheet of glossy, shiny red cardstock with this really, really elegant design embossed into it. It's great for elegant Christmas cards. And then we get our 12 by 12 sheet of stickers that has different focal images and then different sentiments that you can use to make some cards or gift tags. And that is it, everyone. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this video is helpful to you in deciding which different Doodlebug Christmas products that you want to purchase for yourself or for your loved ones this holiday season. I just am so in love with everything in the collection. I just think Doodlebug has the sweetest designs ever. All right, thanks so much, and I will see you again soon in another video.